10 lines about a road accident. Last month on a fine Sunday, I was going to the market on my bicycle. A sad accident took place before my eyes. A car was coming from the airport. The driver was driving the car at full speed. When he reached the crossing near our school, the traffic light turned red. The driver did not stop the car. He ignored the red signal. A scooter came from the opposite direction. The driver realized his mistake. The car driver could not stop the car and the car struck against the scooter. The scooter turned turtle. Thank you for watching this video.